Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download files from any Telegram group or channel. So let's get right into it. The procedure is saved on both the app, mobile application and web browser. So I'm currently heading over to my web browser and searching for Telegram. Once I'm in my Telegram account, I'm heading over to any group or account. Suppose I'm heading over to this group. So suppose I want to just download this. So what I will do is just head over to the three dots icon on the upper right corner and just click on select messages. Here comes the select option. Once I select it, there is four options that are hit on the lower part. And this one is copy, this one is marquee, this one is to forward, and this one is to download. So I'm clicking on download, and my picture is already downloaded. You can see it in here, and here as you can see, I have downloaded this one, and you can do too with by following this procedure from any group or channel you want. And yeah, hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, this is how you can do it too. And hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.